Hey guys, how's it going? How to redeem gift card on Binance. So first of all, what you need to do in order to redeem gift card in Binance, go and log in with your account. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna click the Binance logo at the top left right here, and you're gonna notice your user ID, and you're gonna notice the shortcut and the tools right here in front of you. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click more services, okay? And basically you're gonna be able to notice that common function, gifting campaign and all that. Just go ahead and click the basically the rewards hub button right here, right? And you're gonna notice that they will redirect you to the rewards hub right there, right? And you're gonna notice this is your rewards hub. What you're gonna do, you're gonna see right here my vouchers. Go ahead and click my vouchers right here, and if you want to claim the voucher or want to add a voucher code, just go ahead and just click the voucher code at the top right, and then enter the gift card to redeem it. Okay, and then you're gonna be able to click claim voucher or just claim the gift card. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.